people. Hi, puppy. Aren't you just the cutest? Hi. This is our newborn. Well, they're not newborn. They were born about a month ago. Their birthday is September 6th, I believe. They're born on a Tuesday. If that's not Tuesday, it's the Tuesday nearest to that. I just don't have a calendar next to me right now. They're the cutest. And those are only 3 of them. We have 4 more over here that are sleeping. Aren't they the cutest? Hold on. Not my camera keys. And here's the mama and the dada. Mama, dada. Yeah, I'm very sorry. I'm sorry, Haley. I am sorry. I'm so sorry, baby girl. I hate to leave you out there. I hate to leave you out there. But Mom was clear. If the puppies are out, if any of them are out, you gotta be out there. We can't let them nurse anymore. And they're having a little match. This one's obviously looking for something. Watch. Ouch! Ouch! They're teething right now. Poor babies. Poor babies! Yeah, they're cute. Ah! You okay? Okay, I think it's time for you guys to go back. Huh? Yeah, I'm sorry. One by one. Mwah. Mwah. We can't let them nurse anymore because now their breath stinks. They're all so cute. It's time to go back. It's time to go back. Play with your siblings. Here's the mama, and that's the papa. Hi, Haley. Aren't you a happy girl, huh? Aren't you a happy girl? They are just the best. And they whined when they went out. And then back there. Watch. This one's gonna whine. Okay, it's a different one. Never mind. Whatever. Peace out. I can't do that from behind the camera. Or peace.